Alright, here we are at building number 5 here in the Finding Nemo area at Disney's Art and Animation Resort. If you look up there, you can see Dory and Crush. Over there, that leads you over towards Hourglass Lake and Disney's Pop Century Resort and the Skyliner as well. And now we're going to ride the elevators in this building. There's Crush and his turtle kids on the mural. And here are the elevators. More Otis with Series 5. Got the right car to ride first. What floor, sir?
3, please.
3? Alright.
Very confusing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big resort.
Yeah, I'll say fun next time.
There's 10 total buildings here, I believe. Have a good night, sir.
You have a good night also.
Yeah, thank you. Oops. Here you go, sir.
Thank you, buddy.
Anytime. Alright, we'll let him go down. Take a look around up here, all 4. There are the seagulls with Nigel and the pelican. This is the scene where Nigel escapes from the flock of seagulls. You can see Nigel has Dory and Marlin in his mouth. And here are the murals from this building, building number 5. Get a quick view out. Simple view, except this is facing from an opposite side. That's the kiddie pool. Or as to say, the splash pad. Right there is your manpower elevator. We're one of, I think, 4 manpower elevators here in this building. And now let's go back down the elevator. We'll try to get the other car. Hopefully this car comes up, because this is the car we got out of. Well, we got this car. We'll take a round trip on this car. Got a 1. As y'all know, dual pose does not work on any of these elevators. Get a cab view of this elevator. Pretty much the same as building 4, well themed to the Finding Nemo movie. Your floor indicator, this is elevator 1, capacity is 3,500. Key switches, certificates, series 5 buttons, and there's your phone. Up to 4, listen to the motor on this elevator. Alright, now let's go back down to 1, and then we'll try to get a round trip on the other elevator, since we need to do that because we got interrupted by a guy trying to go down the elevator on the 4th floor. Stop on 3. Hello.
Oh. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Squishing. See you.
Alright, have a good night, guys.
You too. You too.
Thank you.
Alright, come on, guys. Alright.
Car away. Oh, door trying to close on me. Yep, you're welcome, sir. Alright, let him go upstairs. We'll try to get the elevator. crap, we lost elevator 2. And now here's elevator number 2. We'll try and get a round trip on this elevator. Thank you, sir. Let's go to 4. Instant leveling up here on 4 on this elevator. I think this one has a better motor of the two, but this one also has a fan on, which you can barely hear, but you can still definitely hear the motor on this elevator. I think I already did a caveat of this elevator, but I don't think I did. Just in case, here's your caveat of the right car. Same as the other one. Floor indicator, 3,500 pound capacity, but the label is scratched off. Key switches, certificates, Series 5 buttons, and your phone. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright. Once the elevator go, and that'll be it for this building.